Whisper, Whisper.
Monty, can you hear me?
It is Whisper. Whisper, I can hear you. Hey, Whisper.
Hello, Monty.
Hey, Meerkat Man.
Huh? Ah, there you are, me old China. What's the weather like up there, then?
I'll come upstairs and we can chat about it.
All right. Excuse me. Go ahead.
I'll have a nap.
Whoa, your view is head and shoulders above my burrow.
Ha ha ha! Very funny, but I can't see with your paws over my eyes.
Oops, sorry, missus.
Don't be a sweetheart and scratch behind my left ear.
Ah, don't do scratching. Not my thing.
What's the matter, Monty?
Where I come from, we each have our jobs, you see. Meerkat 1 is a scratcher. Him and Meerkat 7, they takes turns.
What a good idea. Otis, wake up.
I'm awake, man.
Give your chum a scratch, then.
Ooh.
How's that, Gertrude?
Oh, lovely, Otis, but who's going to scratch when you're pooped? Whisper, whisper.
What can you do?
I'm Whisper. I can talk to you. Whisper, whisper.
What will you do?